Welcome to the Chaos Show, where chaos runs our lives 24/7. Good morning. Let's take a tour through the house really quick. Okay, we have to wash this chair, that's why it's there. Hi, so Hadar has been cleaning outside today, and we're gonna have some special guests over today. Let's see what I look like now. This is a baggy shirt. So.
Are you looking at yourself in the mirror?
Yes, I am.
Very good.
I want to see what I look like. Oh, those are so pretty. Let me see. Let me see.
Get inside the house, Kitty.
What's Kitty doing here?
No, move away. You do not do that, Rafael.
Oh, Kitty.
No, Kitty.
Oh, is she doing bad?
No, she's good.
You better get through there, girl.
How shiny your fur is.
Yeah.
Can you not tell her she's a house cat?
You glisten in the sun. You better get in there, girl. Oh, hi. Woo! Bracelets. Bracelets. Oh, sweet. Anyway, let's see what it looked like. Hadar said I lost a lot of weight. I'm almost normal size. Not really, but I'm getting there. I lost 5 more pounds. Yeah, I slipped on your fingers. You're doing good today, Abigail. The kids have been really good. We're just getting everything out today. He's gonna change a cat litter. And he is pulling weeds like a boss. The totes, I think, are gonna stay for now.
Alright, we need to move.
Okay. Okay, so like I said, Grandma is coming. I need to shut this door.
I need a paper towel.
Okay.
You outside again?
Grandma and Grandpa, no, she's fixing to be though. I was gonna shut the door.
Oh, she's
They're coming to get more stuff. Thankfully, because we need to get rid of some more stuff so we can have some breathing room here to pack. I have gathered 2.5 suitcases of stuff that we're gonna take. And it's all like, this is what I want to take, but in the end, we won't have enough space, so we'll have to get rid of that too. So, you know, I'm gonna get ready now. I have to wash my face, put my makeup on. Yeah, and they're gonna be here in just a little bit, and Hadar's been working hard outside. And I've been working hard on the inside. Yesterday I cleaned the house, and all of this got packed up like last week or something, last weekend I think. So we are ready for them to come and take it.
Is my hand
Move?
dirty?
Yeah, move. There's a mouth and nose print, and I'm not sure whose it is. It looks like it might be Rafael's though. It looks like mine maybe, but I think it's Rafael's.
Do you recall doing that?
No.
That's probably good.
Oh, well, I may have had a really bad day and didn't realize that I was laying my face on a piece of glass. I don't know.
You're a little taller than that.
Yeah. Just a little bit. So the Billy's going. We've had a good time with you, Billy.
We actually did. It's my favorite piece of furniture.
Yeah.
Because it fits here.
Yeah, it's
What
very
fits
low
here?
profile.
You know, you should film
Yeah.
before and after, because when this is gone, you'll be able to how to
Yeah, how'd that fit there? And it's amazing storage too. It's really skinny. And it has a place cut out already for your baseboards, which most of the baseboards here are usually cut tile. They just take the same tile around the house.
We don't do wood.
I heard some water out here. What are y'all doing?
Abigail's playing with something Daddy told her not to touch.
Why aren't you telling her not to? Where are you at?
In there.
Better go. Have fun. So yeah, we're cleaning that for Grandma. She's gonna have that in our kitchen or in her living room. I told her where she could put it.
Last idea I had for them, maybe they liked.
In the living room?
With the little spot for
Yeah.
magnetic board.
They're writing. Yeah. They're
They loved it.
the white magnetic board. Yeah.
Yeah, Andrea said, yeah.
Yeah, I told her, I said it would look good right there because it's a skinny wall, and it's a wall just like this, and then it has that wall, and then they put the magnetic board over there for the kids, and the kids really love it. They play with it.
fight with each other over it.
Yeah. So the hallway has become a playroom.
At least you can see what they're doing.
Yeah.
They like to put themselves in that bedroom.
Yeah, and then hide and then get in trouble and hit each other and everybody cries and goes home. Ain't that right? There's like 6 cousins or something. I hear some people. That is not my baby.
That's a whining.
Yeah, that's the neighbor. So I got a bunch of flavors and colors that we weren't able to use, you know, up. So she's gonna get that. And this goes with the baskets. I didn't have time to wash the things though. Been trying to get everything cleaned and detailed, and I still have to box like all of this stuff up and package it to the people that it goes to, but this all goes to Grandma for her to sort out for the family because I don't know if she wants it or not. And everybody wants baskets, so those are all baskets and hangers and things.
Uh-oh, trap. No.
That's the outdoor kitchen.
Stop.
Abigail, be
Those
nice.
are batteries that you're not using.
Yeah.
It has to be bolted in.
Yeah. Because if you open this, it'll fall right on you.
Yeah, I got it.
Had that happen. Okay, cool. Yep, dismantling life. It's getting real.
Dismantling life.
Yeah. Wow.
Here, lie down, Abigail. I'll lock you in there.
Are you measuring to see if she'll fit?
Get this out of here. And get your head in. Put your head in. Ready? Here.
Found Daddy's bag we've been looking for a year.
Bye, Abigail.
We were gonna throw it away until we figured out it was it. Okay,
I
bye.
got a present. Give in
Hey, there's
Button
a
up.
present.
Present!
Here, Grandma. Open it, Grandma.
Open the present.
Hey!
Alright,
It's
my
Abigail.
turn.
It's Abigail.
Turn to get in there with my
Raphael.
shoes off.
Are you gonna
Hey,
fit?
Abigail.
Alright, now it's my turn.
Rafael, I don't think you'll fit. Here, stop.
Be like this.
Wow.
You can do it.
You are too big.
Lay on your back.
Big.
All right.
Wow.
Got a present.
Honey, we shipped the kids. Oh, it's an Abigail.
Hey, Rafael.
Again.
No, we're good. Put your shoes on. Grandpa's trying to talk. Shh.
It's Abigail.
I want another present. Mom,
You want present? Yeah, big one. Okay. Open the box. Who is that?
Grandma, it's a present. Open it. Got the shoe colors and a car to play with. It's a gun for you to kill ghosts and a car to play with, Grandma.
What?
La la la. The neighbor washed her car this morning. Looks really good. Didn't take that chair. So they didn't take the table, bench, got some kid stuff, workout stuff, and a bunch of stuff in this inside still. I think there's gonna be one more load. That was that kitchen, it fit right in there. It's got marble slabs, they're really heavy. Big box for the sister-in-law for the baby. And another big box for Grandma to sort out. I sorted it, but she needs to distribute. And under the bed box and the billy. This table I really liked. Zeb got it out of the desert, and we've had it ever since. Like 6 or 7 years, no, 8 years. It's been a little end table for us. We are completely exhausted and just about wiped out, literally, of furniture. We have 1 bedroom of furniture, 3 beds, 2 suitcases in here. We need to get rid of that. We're still using that.
Here's 1 suitcase.
Yeah, go ahead and take it into the baby's room. Okay. So we have, you know, just the furniture still in here that we need to get rid of. It's such a wide open space in here now, though. It's like really big. Woohoo! And
Here's another one.
we have Rafael's closet that really we can get rid of. He can just have his clothes folded up in the drawer. We have a bed, and we have, yeah, that guy was really annoying, wasn't he? And we've
Yeah.
got some toys here for
Here,
them to
look
play
at
with.
video.
It's okay.
Yeah, with
Yeah.
the beep, 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 beep,
Yeah, that was annoying. That's okay. So how do you feel about Grandma and Grandpa leaving?
Good, because we're going to have a good day today.
But they already left. You mean we already did have a good day today? What'd you do with Grandma?
And we're still going to have a good day.
Yes, tonight.
I did cat cards.
You did cat cards with Grandma. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's
but
move this bed.
No one wanted to play cat cards with
Abigail, we don't climb on the bed. Get down.
Grandma.
Get down.
Okay, Mommy.
Oh, it's on a car. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. So yeah, just need to get everything off the wall so I can spackle and mud it. No, don't do that. I'm gonna move the bed over here. And get rid of the rest of the stuff for one more load.
Thanks for playing with me, Mommy.
You're welcome. Honestly, it's a much better bedroom. You wanna come over here and smile? Good thumbnail. It's a much better bedroom when it is empty. Because, really, Abigail? That's not nice. Children. Yeah, Hulk smash. Children need a nap. They need a nap. They've been playing all day with Grandma and Grandpa. We're gonna go out in nature today. My problems are small. Wow. Yeah.
Don't